Consuming Urban Poverty project is a 3-year ESRC DfID-funded project that really aims to use food as a lens to understand and alleviate poverty in secondary cities in Africa.
The CUP project, which started in 2015 and is now nearly at an end, has got to the point where our fieldwork and our information gathering has been largely done, and we have a process of trying to understand what is going on with urban food security in African cities. But a very important group to try and draw in at this part of the project are the next generation of academics and researchers.
Somehow these problems exist in different places and opens up your mind to see whether you can learn from how other people are tackling the problems from where they come from.
So the point about this week was to bring this group together to get them to hear what each other is doing and to talk through the PhD journey.
I'm just shocked that I finally found a group that I could bounce ideas off. I needed this kind of community and I needed the collaboration, that kind of interaction.
So the scope of the workshop that we've been running this whole week has been trying to build a network of researchers trying to build capacity, and so we've done a range of things. So the first day was really a nuts and bolts and meet and greet. We then took the students into the field and really showed them a number of sites in the Cape Town food system to help people see the food system beyond the slice that they're doing in their theses or in their research. We then had a day which looked at how to think about theory, how to think about methods, how to think about interpretation. Today, the fourth day of the workshop, we're looking at content, so thinking about food systems governance, thinking about poverty, informal sector.
Ever since we started the workshop, the different people are coming from different areas and people have different contributions, and every time somebody says something, I have something to add to my research, even though I did not consider it before this workshop.
I'm better, well-informed, understand the kind of challenges that my respondents have in trying to navigate a food system which is incredibly complex.